Hello guys, today we are going to discuss class 9 mathematics chapter 1 exercise 1.3 of question number 3. So the purpose of our today lecture is we have to express the given distributed expansions in the form of P by Q, okay? And then we have to see it whether we can express this given distributed expansions in the form of P by Q or not, okay? So for that, let us proceed by taking this Roman number 1 as our first problem, okay? All right, then this is the question that we have, that is 0.6, okay? This is Roman number 1. Let us start. Roman number 1, that is 0.6 bar, okay? So let us start. Let x equal to how much? 0.6, okay? We just name it this 0.6 bar as x, all right? Then let us check how many digits under this bar. There is only one digit. If there is only one digit, then we have to multiply with 10, okay? Here x into 10 equal to how much? 0.6. Here it is under this. There, above this digit, there is a bar. So bar means this number repeats itself again and again. So we can write it like this. And even if we want to write much further than that, you can write it. That's up to you, okay? Here it will be 10. 10 into x will give you 10x equal to how much? 0.666 into 10 will give you 6.6, okay? 6.6 dot dot dot, and then 10x equal to how much? 6 plus, okay, there is one way for doing this problem, okay, for doing this step problem. Actually here we got 6.666, okay. Here this point we have to separate, or we have to break this point into some term, okay, that is addition term. So in order to do this, how should we do? Here is one technique, okay. So let us take this one, that is 6.666, okay. You have to subtract this number, okay, that is 0.666. you have to write it like this, okay, and then you have to find what number should you place here, okay. In order to get this number, you have to subtract this number from this, okay. So what is that? 0.666, okay. 6 minus 6 will be how much? 0, 0, 0, okay. 6 minus 0 will be 6. That means here the number that we should place will be 6, all right. And then 6 plus how much? 0.666. If you plus these two, then it will give you the sum of these two will give you this 6.666, okay. Then let us move to the next problem. Let us move to the next step. 6 plus, what is this? How can we write this one? Actually 6 is repeating itself after one digit, okay. That means we can write it as 6 bar, all right. And then 10x equal to how much? 6 plus 0.6 per is equal to how much? It is equal with x. Here it should be x. So if you move this x on the other side, actually we have to find the values of x. In order to find the values of x, we have to move this x on the left hand side, okay, equal to 6. Then 10x minus x will give you 9x equal to 6, all right. X equal to how much? 6. In between this 9 and x there is multiplication, so if it goes on that side it will become divide, all right. Then 3 times 2 will give you 6. 3 times 3 will give you how much? 9, okay. That is 2 by 3. So the given distributed expansions, that is 0.6 per, we have expressed, or we express in the form of P by Q, okay. Actually this is the question has asked us to do. So for our clarification, let us prove whether this distributed expansions and this is equivalent or not, okay. Actually the values of x is 0.6 bar, all right. 0.6 bar equal to 2 by 3. Okay, so we have to check it for better clarifications. Let us divide this 2 by this number, whether we can get this one or not. If we can get this one, then the process that we did, it is correct. Okay, 3, here it is 2, so how much will it be? 3 6 are how much? 18. Okay, so 20 minus 18 will give you 2, and here it is point, so we can add zeros. Okay, 3 6 are how much? 18. 20 minus 18 will give you 2, and it will go on like this. That means it will represent 0.6 bar. Okay, actually the process that we did, it is correct. All right, so this is all about Roman number 1. Okay, then we have to move it to Roman number 2. Okay, what is Roman number 2? In Roman number 2 we have, in Roman number 2 we have 0.47. Okay, let x equal to how much? 0.47 bar. Okay, and then x into how much? Under this bar there is only one digit, so you have to multiply both sides by 10. Okay, so for 7, here it is bar, we can write it so many times in place of putting this bar. Okay, instead of putting this bar, into 10. All right, then 10 times x will give you 10x equal to how much? If you multiply this number with this, then you will get 4.777. Okay, so 10x equal to, here just put this number. Okay, in this place. So let us check what number should we place here. In order to do this, just subtract this number from this, 4.777. Okay, you have to subtract this number, 4777. Okay, so this will be 0 0, and 7 minus 4 will be 3, and 4, that means 4.3. so I have to place here 4.3. Okay, 4.3 plus this will give you this number. All right, and then 10x equal to 4.3 plus this one will be 0.47 bar. All right, and then 10x equal to how much? 4.3 plus how much will it be? Actually this is equivalent with this, we just name it as x equal to 0.47 bar, so we have to keep it x here in place of this number. Okay, 10x minus, if it goes on that side, that it will become minus x. Okay, equal to 4 by 4.3, that x minus x will give you 9x equal to 4.3. all right, and then x, if you move this 9 on the left and on the right hand side, then it will become divide. All right, and then x equal to how much? 4.3. in order to omit this point, you have to multiply with 10, since after this point there is only one digit, so you have to multiply with 10. If it is two digit, then you have to multiply with 100. Okay, 9 into 10. all right, and then x equal to how much? 43. Okay, and 9 into 10 will be 90. Okay, what is the values of x? That is 0.47 bar equal to 43 by 90. Okay, same as the one that we did here. If you divide this 43 by 90, then the same, you will get the same. Okay, that means you will get this decimal expansion just because of this x is equal with this number. All right, actually we are expressing this decimal expansion in the form of p by q. Okay, so this is all about the question has asked us to do. So that's all for today. Thank you.